name is AIMAN and I'm gonna present audio authoring tools and development lab 1. So, he is my group member, and the first one is for basic editing. So, for the first audio, we learn how to use the basic editing tools in the edit audition, such as copy, paste, cut, fade in, and fade out. So, in the first audio track, we learn how to use the fade. So, how to apply the fade in visually. First one, select the clip. The second one, locate the fade in the handle. The third, drag the handle. And the fourth, adjust the fade rate as we want. And the last step is repeat for the fade out. So, that's how to use the fade.
Multi-track audio jingle.
The second one we gonna do is the audio jingle. So, we done it by using the multi-track. So, the multi-track function is allow us to add many audio in the same time and use it at the same time too. So, as you can see in the video, we already add the first track and the second track. And for the repeating part, we do it by copy the front part audio and paste it 3 times and combine it to each other. After that, we also use the razor selected clip tools to split the first track. After we split the first track, we combine it to each other and we make the adjustment in the fade in and the fade out.
The best music. This is Mix FM. The best music. This is Mix FM. The best music. The best music. This.
Multi-track audio jingle 2.
So next, for the third audio, which audio jingle 2, we do it by using the best music track. Then we split it into 2 tracks. Then we selected the first track and select effect and choose the right effect flanger and using the auto preset. Then for the second track, in the effect, we will also choose the right effect echo and we use the danger sky-fi preset. So after that, we run the audio and we will get the result of it.
The best music, 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 the best.
Noise reduction, removing red.
Now I want to explain how to remove red sound from an audio track as a part of noise reduction. First, select the audio and zoom in to clearly see the waveform. Red sounds usually appears as small low frequency waves between spoken words. We identify these parts and either delete them or lower their volume. Then we adjust or close the gaps to make the audio flow smoothly. This technique helps create cleaner, more professional sounds, especially for voiceover or podcast.
Spinning out the greatest hits of the season. We would give you the handsome DJ, but it's all about the music. Spinning out the greatest.
Censor audio.
In this step, we'll censor unwanted audio using tones. First, we open the audio track and listen for the part that needs to be censored, often marked by sudden spikes or flipping frequency. After selecting that portion, we go to the effect menu, choose generate, then click on tones. We adjust the frequency from the default 4000 Hz down to 1000 Hz, creating a standard beep sound that effectively covers the original audio. This method is quick, simple, and ensure the content remains appropriate.
Amazing. Yeah, I love this tutorial. It's amazing. Yeah, I love this tutorial. It's amazing. Yeah, I love this tutorial. It's amazing. Yeah, I love this.
Noise reduction, basic.
We selected the audio track and we can see the noise reduction in the track. Then we selected the whole track and goes to the effect and choose noise reduction. Capture noise, print, then remove selection. Next goes to the effect and select noise reduction and apply it to reduce the noise.
Hello, this is Mike Russell. Excuse the rather poor quality recording. Hello, this is Mike Russell. Excuse the rather poor quality recording.
Removing vocal.
In this audio, we need to remove the vocal in the track by select the vocal and goes to effect and select the stereo imagery center channel extractor. Okay, followed by that, then we select the vocal to remove the preset, and then the vocal is removed.
Vintage voiceover.
For vintage voiceover, typically on old-time radio. So first, we select the first track and the second track. Then we cut the first track to the same with the second track. Followed by it goes to the effect. We go to the effect and select filter, EQ, and choose the parametric equalizer. And followed by we select the old radio effect to tune the setting of the audio. And next we will select all the audio and press the O mark to mark out the audio, and then we are done with the vintage voiceover.
Mike Russell with a very old-fashioned British accent. Hello, this is Mike Russell with a very old-fashioned British accent. Hello, Mike Russell with a very old-fashioned British accent.
Chipmunk voice changer.
To create a chipmunk voice effect, we start by selecting the audio clip. Next, we open the properties panel and enable real-time mode. Then we change the type to vary speed. This allows us to adjust the both pitch and speed together. By increasing the speed, the voice becomes higher and faster, resulting in that fun, chipmunk-like sound. It's quick and easy way to add humorous or animated touch to your audio project.
A short voiceover. Hello, this is Mike Russell recording a short voiceover. Hello, this is Mike Russell recording a short voiceover. Hello, this is Mike Russell recording a short. Hello, this is Mike Russell recording a short voiceover. Hello, this is Mike Russell recording a short voiceover. Hello, this is Mike Russell recording a short voiceover. Hello, this is Mike Russell recording a short voiceover.
Music loop.
To create a music loop, we first select the audio and right-click to enable the loop option. Once the loop mode is on, the selected part of the audio will repeat automatically. This is helpful when you need background music to last longer. You can simply drag the end of the loop to extend and match the length of your video. It's quite a way to keep the audio consistent and smooth.
That's all. Thank you guys.